Okay, I'll start our group project demonstration. Here's a group photo. From left to right is Ma Xing, Luo Huiyi, Liang Xuchao, and Lin Yan. Okay, so I will start our program at the command line. First, I'm logging as admin. So I will try a one password. We'll say field validation, and I will try a correct password. So the password on the console will not display as a text. You will successfully log in. So first, I will try to add student. As student, we don't allow the machine number to be the same, so I will use an existing machine number. Then I will key not existing user ID, and we say machine number is already exists. I will try a student with not existing machine number. Then I type existing user ID because user ID also cannot be the same. We say the user ID already exists. Now I will try to add a correct student, a new student. And so we ask for password, first name, gender, nationality, email will be the address that I will receive email for others notifications. So you also let you choose to add another student or just go back. I just go back and I will try to add a course. So for course code, we don't allow duplicate index number. We allow same course code. Course code can be the same, but index number cannot be the same as if we are different class. Okay, course code I will put in some ODP school. See, put 4. Ask you to key in timetable. You can choose one of the type. Then this is a timetable display menu. Then I try to key in the group, date, and also the start class time and the end class time. The menu. And it will show the info you just key in. So let's say you want to confirm. Then it will ask you to add another one, or you just exit. So if exit, it will display the course you just added and also the timetable you just added. So after you confirm update, then it will be saved in the file. So now it says successfully added the course. So now I want to try update this course. So let's verify is it the course. Exit. So update course, I will use. So let's say I key in 20. You will say course not found. Please try again. So we will use the index number just created. It's 13. Then I will choose the course code to update. I will update as 905. Of course, because this period is already open, access period is already open. So edit course code will not be able to edit. Course code, once it already open, course code will be the fix. You cannot do anything to change it. Then same thing for timetable. If you say access period is open, edit timetable is disabled. Then now we try to edit the school, maybe the course name. So OODP2. Then you can confirm. Then you will successfully updated the course with this info display out. Okay, so if you want to edit other thing, you can continue. For this case, I will just exit. Then you try to check available slot for an index number. So just now we use 13, we key in 4 AU, it showed 4 available slot. And we try to key other index number 3. For number 3, the available slot will be 0. Okay, later we will use the index number 3 to do some test case. And go back. Then now I will try to print student list by index number. Then I will enter index number. The 13 will enter. It will be no student registered in this course. Try another one. 3. It will display 3 students here. Okay, then I will try another index number. And we type a 20. It will say course not found. 5. Use display 1. Okay, then I can go back. Then we will print student list by course. So this is by course code. So you use 3. 3 is not a course code, so we need to put in 2020. Maybe 3 student in here. And go back. Okay, so now the access period is open. So I want to edit a system access period to make it block for the student login. So, and then I will try an invalidate. You need to follow the format. And if I try like this, you will say unflexible date, you need to type again. So I will type November 20. As any time will be, I put the day before current time, so later the student cannot log in. 0800. So we ask for it's early than current time. We ask you to double confirm. Okay, so now I try to log in student. And out. And okay, then I will try to log in a student. Now student, I will use this ID. You say access period is not open. So now I need to change back the access period time, then student can access. So must be bigger than current time. Okay, then I log out. I will log in as student. It shows that I am logged in. Okay, so first I will try to add a course. So the first test case, I will use already registered index. So register, you will say you have to select a course index number 5. Those 5 is also a question with our timetable, so I will try to use 9. So 9, you say already register the course. Then I will try to use index 3. 3 will say that the vacancy is full, your request is added in waiting list. So you see that when you search 3, index number 3 will display the max vacancy and the available slot for this index. But now it's 0, so you cannot will be placed in the waiting list. Okay, so now I will try to add a course. Index number 2, and this course I can register. It will send to my email. So here you say that you have registered course. I think I may refresh. Yes, this one I already registered course index 2, course name module and the design programming for my name. Then back to the this one. Then I'll try to drop course. So you can see that the AU and the course type index and status 15, 3, and 3. Okay, so I will go back first. I will try to add a course that will exceed the AU. So I will use 1. Okay, first the checking will first check the timetable. Then let's say we use 8 confirm. So also crash. Let's say use 6. We already registered maybe 12. Okay, 12 we should be able to add. However, the AU is failed to check because we already added 21 AU. Okay, now I will try to go back and drop course. So I will drop index number 2. So after I drop, it will display the list, and I also will receive an email. So it's a new email. You will see that successfully dropped the course index 2. Okay. So let's go back. So I will show you the waiting list will be pushed to the actual registration if the vacancy is open. So how we do that? I will just log out and I will start in another student. So for this student, you have registered the index number 3. So once I drop from index 3, for these students, the another student waiting list index number 3 will be pushed to the actual course. So he will be registered that course. So I will check the inbox. So I will receive 2 emails because all the user I put my email address for demo purpose. So first, this is student 1. You are registered. A slot is open for your queue. You are successfully registered to course index 3 course name algorithm. So another email is the job course. Because the name is, we all put the same name in the user list. Okay, so we will drop the course. Then, okay, so I will exit first. Then I will show the check course registered. We will say these 2 course registered, total registered AU is 6. And job vacancy available, so maybe 10. You show the max vacancy, also the available slot. You want to check another, then you can type the index number, we show you another. Then, so I need delve and show another. Then I go back, I will swap index between my course. So let's see which one I want to swap. So index 2 and 6, I think I can swap 2 to 1 because they are in the same course code. So because swap index, we only allow if the course is the same. This means that we just change the class. So I will change your course index to, this one is swap index with another student. I think no. I go back first, then I use 5 to change index. Okay, so I change 2, then new. Okay, so class 1, index number 1 maybe cause crash with another module. So I use 6 to change. 6. Then confirm to change. I already successfully changed to 6 to 5. You can see that 6 and 5 have the same course code, then this action will be allowed. And also, we also check the timetable, because we don't allow that you crash your timetable. Okay, so 6, and we swap index with another student. So for demo purpose, I think I need, okay, so I try to see the demo purpose, I need to change with 5. Then I try to enter course number is 5, then PID. I'm going to swap 6. Okay. So we also check that the other peer is registered for the index number first. So for the process to move on, I think I need to change back the index from 5 back to 6. So current index of the course 5 back to 6. I'm going to change. Now I will back to 6. Now I will swap with another student. So my course index number now is 6, PID. And index number to change with 5. And we say that it will display the timetable. So also the new index number and matric number to swap. So it will also send you a notification that is already changed for both students. So I received 2 emails. One is for student A, one is for student B. So for this matric number, index number 6 has been successfully swapped with this index number. And this is opposite. Okay. So that's all for the functions. So in more detail of the logic will be in the report, and there's more test case in the report because some email input I have for demo purpose, I will just skip it. Okay, thanks.